What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is my fourth video, but my second video where I'm talking. As mentioned in the previous talking video, I will have one video that is strictly ASMR and will have no talking, and a second video that has some type of explanation or commentary. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I explained a good amount on my last video. So if you're interested, make sure to check that out. So now let's get into this video. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos on this specific cleaner, the Reshoevn8r, and I'm sure you've gotten a lot of mixed reviews. Some saying it works, some saying it doesn't. And the one thing I want to point out is that a lot of videos, especially the ones made by Reshoevn8r, the shoes are made dirty for the specific video. If they're adding on dirt, if they're adding on stains, they're trying to make it so I guess it's easy to clean off. Also, I noticed a lot of the videos are actually leather, so there's a lot of things that I wanted to check out myself. That's why I took the dirtiest pair of shoes that I own and I wanted to try it out for myself. Now, I know there are a lot of different shots in this video that are specifically geared towards ASMR and does not have anything to do with the actual cleaning of this shoe. If you guys enjoy these shots, make sure to comment down below so I know to keep doing them. Or if you don't like them and you want me to take them out, you can comment that too. I just want some feedback so I know what works and what doesn't work. So at the end of the day, I can improve and get a better quality video for you guys. Alright, so back to the cleaning. If you noticed, I started off by using the soft brush. This kit included 3 brushes, 1 soft, 1 medium, and 1 stiff. And it also included a cleaning solution. I know in this video, it may seem like I've only scrubbed a short amount of time for each section, but I really put in that work. I was scrubbing with extra elbow grease, but you know, you can only do so much with some of these stains and these dirt marks. But you ever notice that in the other videos, they are dirty as can be, but when they're done with them, they look like they're brand new, like they're dead stock. And you know, sometimes it seems like it's too good to be true. And that's exactly why I'm making this video, to get an honest review from a shoe that's actually so worn out, that has experienced a lot of wear and tear. Now that we're going into the second brush, I do want to mention that I did like the fact that they offered 3 different kinds of brushes. However, if you haven't seen the thumbnail already, the question is this product worth it? Now, as mentioned before, I've tried other cleaners like Crep, which is their competitor. I'd have to say their product also works. I mean, you only get 1 brush with the kit compared to the 3 that you get with Reshoevn8r, but you also have to take into account the price. The Crep is $15 and the Reshoevn8r is $30. So is it worth $15 to get 2 more brushes? So I guess it all depends on how often you clean it, the value of the shoe that you're cleaning, the level of cleanliness that you want it to be, because obviously the different textures of the brushes and the hardness matters when comparing it to the Crep kit, because that one only offers the soft bristle. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you believe that you need all 3 for every shoe that you clean, then go ahead and buy it. But if you are basing your decision solely off of how well the solution compares, then just get the cheaper option. They work basically the same. Quick reminder, don't forget to have fun. Thus, the bubbles. Sorry for that quick digression, but back to the cleaning. So after scrubbing these shoes, I finished them off by putting them in a laundry bag, and threw them in the washer. I know I don't have any footage of me putting into the washer, but you're just gonna have to trust me on this one. So here's a quick comparison. Obviously, it's visibly whiter than the untouched shoe on the right. As you can see, there are still some scuffs, some dirt spots left, but it is what it is. It's never going to be perfect, especially on a shoe as worn as this. And that's basically it. If you guys didn't check out the last video, I'll put the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.